It happened personally with me, and I was not even sure what mistakes I was making. Muscle in order to train your tongue to be in a correct position while you are s, s. Here, if you use an extra e syllable in the starting, do you think you pronounce these words correct? Speaking clear with correct pronunciation is one of the qualities of a good speaker. Sometimes we think we are pronouncing certain words correct, but actually we are not. It happened personally with me, and I was not even sure what mistakes I was making. Something similar happens with many of us with the sound of S in English language. We know we aren't pronouncing it right, but we don't know the solution. Today's video is about pronunciation, wherein we're gonna learn how to make a perfect S sound in your speech. I know many of you are struggling with this problem and are looking for a solution. So here is a full free speech therapy session for you guys. Watch the video till the end so that you can make a perfect, clear, crisp S sound. Hi everyone, my name is Nidhi and I welcome you all with yet another video on my YouTube channel, mavEnglish. So first we'll diagnose the problem and then the solution. Here on screen I'm going to show you certain words and I want you to pronounce them wherever you are. So just pronounce. Alright, do you think you pronounce these words correct? And what if I say this is not how you should speak these words? Well, I have been working with so many of my Indian students and recently I got some Spanish students too. And I found this major problem in their pronunciation, especially with the words that starts with S followed by a consonant. We may also call it S consonant cluster. That means the words beginning with two consonants together, and this is especially true with the words that starts with S and T, as in student, style, still. So what's the problem? My Indian students and Spanish students tend to put E or A sound in the starting of these words, which make them to pronounce these words wrong. So they would say is student, is still, is style, and that's not a correct pronunciation. You should rather say student, still, style. Do you see all these words here? If you see, you will notice all these words are starting with S followed by a consonant, which is the main cause that you don't pronounce these words correct. Did you find out the difference between both the pronunciation? Let me make it more clear. The English alphabet is S, but the word starting with S followed by a consonant should not have an extra syllable in the starting. For example, the word school. Here, if you use an extra E syllable in the starting, you will pronounce it as school. Here, E is an extra syllable, which is not required. You should pronounce it as school, school, without the E sound in the starting. Now, how to practice this technique with other words? Your tongue is a muscle and you will have to work on that muscle in order to train your tongue to be in a correct position while you are pronouncing certain words. So to make a perfect S sound, you have to put more stress on S letter while pronouncing these words, like S, S. So this way you will say school, student, smart. If you put more stress on S letter, you will not require that extra E syllable in the starting and you will pronounce it correct. I know it's a bit uncomfortable in the starting, but eventually you will get this habit. Moreover, it's very important to pronounce these words correct, right? And now if you compare your previous pronunciation, you will notice that earlier you were speaking it wrong, but now you know it. Alright, now let me pronounce all these words for you. School, student, start, smart, speak, speed, special, skill. Now you can try speaking all these words on your own. Now I'll tell you all those S consonant clusters where you may have problem while pronouncing. SK, skip. SL, slap. SM, smart. SN, snake. ST, stop. SP, split. I'm sure now you've got an idea of all these S consonant clusters and how to pronounce them. This lesson was intended to make you understand the correct pronunciation or correct sound of S letter. If you enjoyed this lesson, please consider hitting the like button and share it with your friends. You may also check other videos on my YouTube channel, and if you feel the content is informative, please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys again very soon. Bye.